everybody. Today it's a beautiful day. It's May. And month of the May we got the recipe. And the recipe is on a calendar what I got. It's a chicken francaise. And we want to make chicken francaise today. But we don't make too many, it's only for me and my wife. And nobody come, my son, he come once in a while to bring food over here. But today, he no come, and we make for me and my wife chicken francaise. Now I got over here already the chicken, a pint, all right? I put salt and black pepper. I got flour, I got 1 egg, butter, parsley, lemon, wine, black pepper, and salt. Now, for start, let me start with the flour. I put a little salt. I put a little salt on the flour, and we put this on the side. Little black pepper. Okay. And now we mix this flour like this. And now I got the egg. The egg I put a little salt and little black pepper. All right. And we scramble this egg that I gotta use.
And Marie, she make you recipe and you come out good.
Thank you very much. Now I got everything over here. Now we gotta go on the stove. I gotta start cook the chicken. And I bring right over here. And I put the pots on over here. I put the gas on. And I put the oil. I lower the flame a little bit, and I got 1 garlic, I split in half, and I put over here to give a good taste for the chicken. But after, I take it out. Spera vicino mare, facciamo amore, ancora. So marinara. I wanted the oil to be a little hot.
Gina, she make you pizza. It was delicious.
Okay, good. Now let's start with the garlic. I want to cook a little bit of the garlic. After, I start with the chicken.
Michelle, she make meatballs.
Oh, meatball, really good.
Yeah, but the ricotta spinach.
Okay, now we lower the flame a little bit, and now we start with the chicken.
Actually, this is the cassette. We're playing cassette.
I put the chicken with the flour, and make sure that do really good like this. Okay, now we put on the eggs. Guarda il giardino.
Are you welcome?
Okay, now I put it right over here.
Hello from Gilbert, how you said this one?
Okay, now this is the flour.
Well, actually, he planted already tomatoes. He put in the garden.
Yes, I put in the garden the tomato. I got zucchini. I got the rucola already grow. The rucola already come out. And I got the cilantro che come out already. Okay, now we cook this.
Moshi says it's your favorite.
And this you not gonna cook too much now. We leave it go a little bit like this, but the same time I don't want to wait. Let's do something else, okay? Okay, let's keep happy, everybody. I want to say the nurse do really good job. I want to say thank you very much for the nurse all over the world. Okay, what happened? The nurse is so busy. And I want to say salute chin chin for the nurse. And let's keep a little dance and keep up the people that is in the hospital. Keep the people happy. And like this, it's really nice for everybody. Thank you very much, the nurse, and salute e chin chin. A salute.
How about the people who's taking care of everything? The stores, garbage, all.
Yes, everybody. Same thing with the city. We put the garbage outside. It come over here. It come on a Tuesday and Friday. It come with a big truck. People put leaves, branch, everything. It take care really good. It's something like the restaurant. They can give food that take away. It's really nice. Everybody. Okay. I want to say thank you to everybody. After this, one time I put both sides, they got a nice, beautiful color. I gotta take it out, I put on this clean dish over here. But before I take it out, I gotta use a little butter, really good. Salute!
Bruce says my birthday.
Bruce, happy birthday, Bruce! Happy birthday! Thank you, a salute, Bruce!
We'll have broccoli rub. Beautiful. Jeremy is doing good, but he's in his place, so it's just two of us.
Only, but he go shop for us. He go shop, he bring, after he leave, like I said, the other time when we make this recipe, I also make a lot of chicken. Everybody over here home, my son, the girlfriend. But not tonight, we got a 2-piece of breast chicken. And I make over here for me and my wife. Okay, now, the garlic, it's already done. I don't want to burn the garlic after, change the taste. But I'm not throw away this. This is my aperitivo. This is so good. I eat this. Okay, now, almost is done. And what I gotta do, I gotta put a piece of butter. Okay.
What part of Italy you from?
I'm from South Italy, Foggia. My city, it's a small city. It's Orsara.
Justin is making arancini.
Oh, arancini. Okay, look how beautiful.
Yep. Rene's make last week, it was delicious.
Okay, now what I do, I take it out and I put it right over here on this dish, like this. Now, I gotta put, not too much, little flour, that's all. And we make a little turn on the flour. And we make it nice.
It's extra virgin olive oil.
Okay. Now I got the little wine. And I use a little lemon. We lower the flame of the gas.
This is all clad parts.
Good. Look how beautiful it look. Now this sauce, the gravy I'm making for the chicken. And I use a little chicken stock. Okay. Now we leave a boil this.
Well, we will having a broccoli wrap with that. You can use pasta, you can do any vegetable, you can do risotto. Oh, this is all clad parts.
Okay, now I take the chicken and I put it back. Okay. And we leave it. You don't gotta cook it too much this. Already I was a cook. Cause the chicken it's not really thick. And I want to cook it for 5 more minutes after we take out. And look how beautiful it look already. Okay, now the time of this we lower the flame really low. Okay, you don't gotta boil it too much. I don't want to burn everything. And I want to ask, somebody can ask me something, please. I'll be happy to answer some question. Okay, maybe everybody busy. Let's be busy with a little wine or something else. Maybe you drink a beer, wine. What do you drink? Champagne? It's good. Salute chin chin. And keep happy. Not listen too much to the people what everybody say. I know something that's going on, we know. But not think too much. Stay happy all the time. Play with the kids at home. And keep the kids really, really happy. All the family. Okay, you know, we gotta pass this. We don't want to stay too long. And let's drink it together with me, please. Salute chin chin everybody. A salute.
Well, we're always using portabella mushroom or shiitake mushroom. It's good.
Look how beautiful.
You put lemon, somebody was asking?
Yes. I got it right over here, the lemon. I was to pour the lemon.
Where we just saute, we just cook broccoli wrap like for 2 minutes, then we drain in cold water, and then fried garlic, and put oven.
Yes. This and now I was to pour over here chicken stock, wine, and I got the lemon. And I'll use a little flour to make a little gravy like this. But And like I said before, the garlic I was take it out, and the garlic it's right over here. And I'm not throw away. The garlic it's really good for you. Very good. Okay, right.
Oh, Rosemary, she's make the bagels.
Oh yeah, the bagel come out very good. Everybody, he told me, say Pasquale, we never was eat homemade bagel, but it's the best. And I want to say thank you very much. Everybody wants to make a bagel. Okay, now I want to take a dish. Okay, I got the spoon right over here. We lower the flame, cause the chicken it's cooked.
Yeah, we have the video of Parmigiana and pasta fasul. We have the videos of.
Okay, now I want to put little.
No, capers you put on not chicken francaise, it's chicken piccata.
Okay, look. Now we lower the gas. And we go right over here. And I want to put so nice the smell of this rose. Okay, we put a little parsley. And look how beautiful it look. Really, really good. All right, now let me taste my chicken. Look how beautiful, huh? It's so good. You can taste the wine, the lemon, everything delicious. The chicken is so tender. And I want to say that somebody, not somebody, everybody, make this. It's so good. And I want to say thank you very much for your help and thank you very much for the stuff. I want to say to everybody, salute e chin chin. And I said again, keep happy. Everybody, keep happy. Thank you very much. And live dancing in a house like this. And dance together with the family, everybody. I want to say salute e chin chin. Thank you very much. And again, thank you for the stuff.
He put lemon juice. He did put.
Yes, I did the lemon. Yes, so you look again. I did the lemon. I was put a lemon. Thank you very much, and we see next time. Bye. I see you.